Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. So, are you ready for your value education class? We had already completed 4 chapters, right? Now, after the chapter number 4, you have a page of life skill in which you will get to learn something. Okay? So, take out your textbook and read it with me. What is the name? What is the title? Each person is precious. That means in this world, each and every person is precious. Each and every person has their own talents and value. We should not disrespect any person saying that you are of no use or anything. Okay. Now this is a short story. Auntie Soha had a new baby and you, your elder sister Misha and mother are visiting her. Auntie Soha, just imagine that there is one friend of your mom, Auntie Soha, and you and your sister are going to visit her because she had a new baby. She has given birth to a baby. Auntie lets you hold the baby. How sweet, you say, and that aunt lets you to hold that baby in your hand and you comment that the baby is so sweet. You feel happy to take small babies in your hand, right? As you play with the baby's little feet, while playing with baby's little feet, babies have little feet, little hands. Is it a boy or a girl? You ask. Now you ask to your aunt that is it a boy or a girl? It's a girl, says auntie. Everyone should feel happy when a new baby is born, whether it is a boy or a girl. Now here you need to learn one lesson that everyone should feel happy when a new baby is born. In many families, people are not happy when they give birth to a girl child, because in some families still they believe the old negative mentality that girls are not good and only boys, they want boy child, right? So everyone should feel happy when a new baby is born, whether it is a boy or girl, it's a second thing. Auntie is right, says mother, and the mother says that yeah, auntie is saying absolutely correct. Says mother, giving Misha a hug. Mother gives Misha a hug. I was also very happy when you were born. So mother says to her child that suppose imagine you and your mother go to Aunt Soha and your mother hugs you and say that I was very happy when you were born. My first child, a daughter, Misha smiles. And if your mother says that she was very happy when you were born, you will have a smile on your face, right? I was just as happy when your little sister was born. And Misha also has a little sister. So mother says, I was equally happy when my second child was born. And you know how much I love you both? Mother loves her child. In some families, parents believe that only boys can go to school. There are some families which believe that only boys can go to school and get good jobs, earn lots of money and take care of them when they grow old. Some families have a negative mentality that सिर्फ लड़के ही आगे बढ़ सकते हैं because girls are meant to do household work, which is wrong. Nowadays, girls are also achieving success in so many fields, right? So, this is a wrong impression that only boys can do. Not only boys, girls can also do, right? Girls also have the right to gain good education, to earn lots of money, to do job, right? Girls should be aware of their rights. When they believe that girls will grow up to get married and live with their husbands. In some families, they believe that girls are only to grow old and manage household work and marry and live with their husband, which is a wrong impression. However, Auntie Soha and mother want their girls to go to school But this family was very good. Mother and Auntie Soha, they both believe that they want their girls to go to school, have good jobs. They want their daughters to go to school, to have good job and be strong women who can take care of themselves. So Auntie Soha and mother wants their daughters to be a strong woman. They want their daughters to do all the things boys can do. So Aunt Soha and mother are very good. They support their daughters. They don't have that mentality that only boys can do. So they want their daughters to do all the things which boys do. It is not necessary that cricket can be played only by boys. No, cricket can be played by girls also. See, here are some facts. Did you know in India fewer girls are born than boys? In our India, the ratio of birth of girls is less than boys. In many families, girls are not given as much food as boys. Very bad thing this is. In many families, girls are disrespected. They are not given as much importance food as they give to boys. Fewer girls go to school and college than boys. In many families, parents say that girls should stop studying after school. So in colleges, they send only to boys, which is wrong. Boys are expected to be brave and not cry when they hurt themselves, but a girl can cry. Again, this is a wrong statement. See, why it is said when a boy is crying that ladki ki tarah kyun ro raha hai? This is a wrong thing, right? Boys also have feelings, emotions. So we should not say to any boy that why you are crying like a girl. So boys are always expected to be brave and strong. But they have feelings and emotions too. Boys are encouraged to study maths and science, and girls are encouraged to study languages or history because people believe that these subjects are easier. Some people believe that boys should study maths and science and girls should study language or history because this is easy. But they should not underestimate or make such differences, okay? So these are some facts which are still carried out in some families, okay? So we should learn that all are equal and equality should be given to girls and boys both, okay children? So I hope you understood the concept. We'll meet in the next video lesson. Till then, take care, keep smiling. God bless you.